Welcome to today's podcast. Today, come on, sing. I'm
I
the
don't
host.
know the
You have to
lyrics,
sing.
but
Sing. Okay, never mind. Okay, so I'm the unfortunate host of today. I have been assigned the host. What should I do? I forgot. Okay, so I should tell who and all are in this podcast. First of all, I'm myself, and there my fake name being Anton Marin. Then I'm joined by Mr. Falcon.
Namaste,
Mr.
namaste.
Yes, then I'm joined by Mr. Gin. I'll call him Gin because I like Gin better than Gin. Yes, then I'm joined by Ninja Bob. Very
Hi.
nice combination. You must have just searched it on Google. Random names, combine them. Okay, then John Oil Mafia.
Yellow.
And
That's an
so
original
today we
character.
are going to search shower thoughts on Reddit. That's what we decided, right? Let's
Yeah.
move on to
Yes, we are going back to Reddit.
Reddit it is.
Unfortunately, John Oil Mafia uses light mode on Reddit, one of the few people.
But
Other
it's just
than-
not shifting.
Oh,
You might
poor
have
internet
vision
connection.
problems.
Yeah.
So
There you go.
yeah, there you go.
Trending is cryptocurrency Let's go.
because
Shower
a famous
thoughts.
billionaire
Yep.
has showed his interest in it.
22 million followers.
So that's many people who
Wow.
actually think, like
Nice.
what all goes on. Damn.
No, they don't want to
Yes.
think. They want
Do
to
we
see what
sort
other
by
people think.
Yeah.
You will have seen. Oh, not bad.
Do we sort by top of all time or through
Yeah,
hot?
let's go to top. Let's go to the top.
Let's go to the
All
top.
time.
Top.
All time.
All time.
All time.
All time it is. See what people
Oh,
actually think about.
2011 now. Hey, that's 2 years ago. Okay.
Okay,
cool.
whoever created this, the tradition of not seeing the bride in the wedding dress beforehand saved the countless husbands everywhere from hours of dress shopping and will forever be a hero to all men. Gin, what do you think?
I honestly I don't know too much about this tradition, only through movies and TV shows. But I would really props to that guy who came up with this tradition. Seriously.
Yeah,
Falcon.
actually, man.
Sorry, it is listening. I didn't understand this.
Actually,
What
it's
is
like
So, yeah,
Whoever
go ahead.
created
This
this tradition
Western
of not seeing
culture,
the
in
bride in the
Western
wedding-
culture,
Uh-huh.
during the wedding day, the bride, right? Bride is not supposed to see the groom in her wedding dress.
Even in India also, you are right.
I'm not too sure. So this
Some
saves the
spots.
bride from the hassle of dress shopping for a wedding dress. So
Yeah,
I don't know why is this the top?
why is that the first one
seriously.
exactly?
Why is that the top? John wants to
218,000
talk.
people agree with this.
I mean, 18K, husbands out
Yeah,
there.
check out the comments. Check out the comments. Top comments.
18,000 husbands out there, agree with this
I
guy.
read that this tradition exists because in the past were basically traded into.
Richer
Us and the women basically were traded into richer family by marriage. Huh.
They were kept away from the guy because
guy
the
did a
poorer
nice
family didn't
history
want to
search.
risk him. Not like so basically arranged marriage.
Basically
Okay.
arranged
I
marriage.
get it. I
Yeah.
get it.
Yeah, that is. I mean, they're just saving time. isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. After all, towards the end, human beings are just efficient machines on this on this planet created to breed and create more human
Only
beings.
spread the genes.
Yes, that's
Yeah,
all.
I think
human
it
beings
is-
are
it is-
really
To
efficient.
spread selfish genes.
So watch Family Man for the answer.
Watch, yeah, Family Man.
Family Man. We are
Yeah,
going to
either
shout
to
out.
spread genes or to watch Family Man. That's what humans are done for.
Yeah. All
Don't.
right.
Bhargav's theory of genetics.
What?
Human beings are created, put on this earth just to reprocreate and
Falcon's theory. Yeah, never mind. Let's move on. Let's move
I
on.
think it's for dogs. Then,
it's an interesting theory. Okay, we laugh at dogs getting excited when they hear a bark on TV. But if TV was a non-stop stream of unintelligible noises, then someone suddenly spoke to you in your language, you'd be pretty startled too.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that
Makes too
makes
much
sense. That makes sense. So if you so imagine you're in a foreign country and then the TV there is speaking some language that you don't know.
Yeah.
Then and then all of a sudden you hear a language that you do understand, and all of a sudden like
I bet the dogs exactly feel that way, man.
German.
In between German, we hear
So
a
that's what
hint of
cats.
English. We all get started. Yeah.
Moving on, when you're a kid and you don't realize you're also watching your mom and dad grow up.
Oh.
It's very weird.
This is like, it hits hard. So,
It's hard, yeah.
yeah.
This is a true shower thought.
True shower thought. Yeah.
No, I don't
Yeah,
think
the rest are just noise.
so.
do
How
you
much?
really think?
No, I don't think so.
You don't think so?
No, that that they're also because you
Is-
keep celebrating their birthday. Yeah, so yeah,
Huh?
they're growing old, grow up.
No, but then you don't think when in your child mind you think that your parents are like the
Yeah, they're
absolute.
just there. Like they don't grow.
They
just
don't
staying the
grow up.
same.
Yeah, they don't grow up. They're like an anime where the characters don't age. But then once you grow up, you realize that how they
Yeah.
progressed and aged.
In your mind, your parents never change
That's
mentally or
can I call
physically.
it dark or should I call it like sad?
I mean, it's fine.
Grim.
Grim. No, not grim.
It's just fine.
It's gonna
That's fine.
happen.
Let's just keep it sad.
Yeah.
Why is it
Today
sad?
we are
Not sad.
today we are sponsored by Rising Hell. Kissed by
By
No,
Rising
we're
Hell,
not.
please.
Let me
Rising
just come on.
Hell.
Why are you giving a free shout
No,
out?
why is this game a
Ninja
sugar
Bob,
part?
Ninja Bob editor son is going to cut this because we are going to get copy striked by who is this? Rising Hell.
Probably not. We are giving them a free shout out. Why would
Giving them a
they
free
copy
shout out.
strike?
Then let's
Hey,
give it to
Rising Hell,
Nike.
please
We are
sponsor
giving
us.
to-
I mean,
Why
we
did they shout at us? Because we're giving
to
them a shout.
Xiaomi, to Xiaomi, to Microsoft, my mouses.
Anton Marin, you realize your face is not going to be seen in the podcast.
I know. I'm just showing whatever is around.
Okay,
like this.
okay, it's just
Okay.
We-
3 seconds.
we are
3 seconds.
sponsored by. We are sponsored by Hanon Virtuoso Pianist.
Hey,
We are not.
You want to go piano?
Stop.
Okay, I
Stop.
think Anton Marin has been bribed by these companies to give free sponsorships.
Yeah. Okay. Next, let's move on.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
You didn't need to. I'm not going to edit that. Okay, Falcon. That 3 tone is going to come in the video. It'll be fun.
John, how did you think about this? Being able to tolerate the sound of your own voice in a video is probably the highest form of self-acceptance. When I hear my own voice,
Yeah.
I know.
sound
Click on
right?
the,
So
on the post.
I faced
Let's
that
see.
while editing our podcast. So yeah.
when I
Yeah,
hear that's
true.
why I find it uncomfortable to watch this podcast.
I know, right? It's
Yeah,
just
exactly.
too uncomfortable,
John, click on the click on that post. Let's see the top comment.
I was in a Zoom meeting with coworkers recently and I kept hearing an echo of my voice on their device. I just kept thinking to myself, good God, how do these people tolerate listening to me on regular basis? This man knows it, dude. This
Nice
man knows
one.
it. Oh,
That's
God.
what they
Yeah,
also
that
think of
happens. The
themselves.
echo is annoying.
Damn, dude. Shit.
Emerald
Yeah.
llama and a crimson pig. Falcon, have you
Whatever.
heard your
Of
own
course.
voice? How do you feel about it when you hear your own voice?
Yeah, it's pretty
Not
sexy.
not like when you're talking right now, like in a recording.
Yeah, it's pretty sexy.
Ooh.
I see.
Self-confidence.
He's reached
Self-acceptance.
See, yeah.
self-acceptance.
His-
So
His-
highest form of self-acceptance.
No, but then I think this is because the voice you hear when you speak is through like bone conduction and stuff. But then when
Auto-tune.
you hear a recorded version, yeah,
Yeah.
it's
It's
like through
auto-tune.
electronic medium and it
I
sounds
sound like a Tamilian.
No, so like the true question is, what does your voice sound like?
What
Human.
does your
Is it through the
sound-
recorded version, or what do you think it is when you speak?
I think
I
maybe
think it's the recorded.
You mean the
okay.
real
That's
voice?
what
I
other
think
people
the
will hear.
I think how I think.
No, it can't be recorded version
Oh,
too.
For as all
Okay,
I
John,
know that
let's
I
move on to the next post. I think we're running out of time.
Yep. Okay, what is this?
I mean, you guys
Okay.
can let us know if
Partly
you
due
had
to my
need
fault.
to increase the podcast time.
Okay. What else? Being able to do well in high school without having to put much effort is actually a big disadvantage later in life. What do you think about this, Falcon?
Being able to do well in high school without having
Who did well in high school here? Please let me know. I think I'll be left out of this
For
conversation.
sure. I'm 100% sure that Falcon was the one
yeah,
who did
I
well.
think it's
I mean,
This is weird
100%.
asymmetry.
The
I
advanced
think it's pretty
student.
correct.
Yes, very correct.
I think it's pretty correct. Yeah,
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 makes
because
sense.
basics are very
I
important.
mean,
You know?
once
You never know,
You
man.
don't.
When
It's fine.
those
Like, yeah, actually,
why
it's
do you
not a
think this have a
disadvantage. It's like
disadvantage?
I think this was written by someone who hates writing
it's
tests.
not a disadvantage. I would say. I would just put it as you know, you need to just do that. You need to study that again if you don't understand that concept. That's it.
it's not about studying, bro.
That's all I think.
Yeah,
mean,
I mean,
It's about the rigor,
I think
man.
it's
Once you
fine.
start, once you start studying and all that, later in life you get that rigor of doing some work. You won't ever feel
Mm.
like that that if I don't do this, this other thing will happen. You'll always get that thought. I mean, you get in that same working ethic. So that's what I feel.
Look
So
at this next one.
holy
It's
shit.
just amazing. Someone thought this while they were in the shower, but this person really needs a Nobel Prize or something. During a nuclear
Let's see.
explosion, there's a certain distance of the radius where all the frozen supermarket pizzas are cooked to perfection.
Huh.
Well,
Clapping
if
right
you
now.
eat it, you
I'm
have
clapping
cancer.
right now.
But yeah,
Oh my god.
Yeah.
This man actually thought perfectly.
you'll be like, Steve, free pizza. It'll just pass by, like the
I'm
food will
giving this
pass
an
through your
upright.
hand.
So I
Okay,
haven't.
I need to log
I
into
mean,
this.
I haven't.
you might as well have
proposal
some
here.
good pizza before you're going to die.
So why not?
Wait,
say,
we'll discuss
I-
this one. We'll discuss this one. Wait.
Okay,
Falcon.
continue.
So what if someone launches a nuclear missile and they keep all this in constraints like, oh, there are 5 supermarkets within this radius which has pizzas. We should launch this nuclear missile right here.
I mean,
Yeah,
they would
sure.
have actually thought about it. What if it's an actual zombie outbreak and then you launch a
Okay,
missile
wait, what's wrong
exactly
with you?
so
They would have
that you
actually
get
thought about it.
so that you get a fresh pizza after everything is done. No,
You think it'll taste different?
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, you might get a little radiation poisoning, but it's all good. It's a pizza.
Just grow a third arm.
Yeah.
Do you think it'll taste better than pineapple pizza?
Any day. Any day. Any day. Okay, what is this next one? Anxiety
I
is like
think
a video.
Falcon had something. Falcon had something.
Yeah, I think I have some really good shower thoughts. If you don't mind, can we do it here?
Yes, please.
Sure.
Yeah.
Go
So one shower thought is the most thing which is delivered in any online purchase is the carton box.
Yeah,
The
that's only if
worst,
you're using big basket. But yeah,
the
the
what?
cardboard box, you mean, right?
Can you read the question again? The most what?
Yeah, like online shopping, like the most thing which is delivered in an online shopping
Oh,
is the
okay,
cardboard
okay,
box.
okay.
The cardboard box,
Technically, it's the bubble wrap or the styrofoam.
or probably the bill.
You know, that brings me to botanizing. The biggest thing which is delivered in any online shopping thing is the box.
Yeah.
No matter what, how biggest.
Yeah, that actually does attract a lot. Okay, look at this one though.
I mean, what if it's in pieces and you assemble it after you take it out of the box?
I mean, that would just become a DIY.
Anyways, fine. I keep the shower thoughts coming.
Yeah, look at this
7
one.
babies have been
Like,
born in
have you ever
Antarctica and-
experienced like one day in social media, there'll be more accounts of the dead than the living?
It's not possible though.
Not
Really?
possible. I mean,
It's
no.
not
See,
possible.
after a while, even Instagram and all, no, they just deactivate the accounts if you don't use them.
Or if there's a nuclear holocaust and everyone dies, then obviously there'll be a lot of dead social media accounts.
Yeah, they'll
Yes,
just be
nuclear
serverless,
holocaust
just running.
OP.
But
in their
still,
own
I don't
house.
think they'll. Yeah,
But at least they'll
good
have
servers will
cooked
Well, then if a nuclear
frozen
holocaust
pizzas.
were to happen, or nuclear holocaust
Pizza.
were to happen, the whole internet would go down. So technically, all social media also would die with that. So
No, the account will still be there.
in
Account is
some
still there.
database which cannot be accessed
Yeah.
anymore.
That's what I'm telling.
Yeah.
I mean, NASA's internet and all, I think it works. I don't know.
Now check this out. 11
Yeah, when
babies
you're
have been born
breastfeeding,
in Antarctica, and none of them died as infants. Meaning Antarctica has the lowest.
Oh, wait. Hey, you missed
mortality
you
rate
missed the above one. See, that's more. 1 second. You look at the above one. That's also interesting.
Okay.
Pavlov probably
That's a
had
good
about
So,
50 dogs in
Like
line
reverse
to
Uno.
ring a
That's
bell.
reverse Uno.
Oh
okay,
damn.
This is
first,
like
can
reverse
I
psychology.
can I just explain the
Yeah.
Pavlov experiment?
Yeah,
So
go on.
there's this
Sure,
guy called
sure.
Pavlov. He wanted to measure, like, just check out instinct and all that stuff, central nervous system. So he did this experiment where first he kept like food in front of a dog, and then the dog obviously ate it. And then he did this every time, and while he was doing this, he rang a bell.
Huh.
And then initially, after some time, he removed the food, but just and no, while
The
keeping
dog
the food,
started to salivate.
the dog's mouth started watering. And then after some time, he removed the food, right? And whenever he rang the bell, the dog would still salivate.
Probably, I think like instead of saliva coming out, like if you think in this context,
So,
I think blood will be
by
coming
that
out of the
logic,
dog.
when the bell rings, he'll be thinking
Eat,
about
Bobo!
feeding his
Eat!
dog.
Eat! The bell rang! Eat!
So he indirectly trained himself. So I think it's applicable to anything else, right?
Imagine if he goes to a
I mean,
place.
imagine every time you study, you ring the bell. So every time you ring the bell, you feel like to study.
Yeah.
Interesting
so
thought.
what I want getting told, and I have one more thing. Like when you're brushing, you're actually cleaning a skeleton.
Huh.
Uh,
Huh.
That's the
No,
closest way to come to a skeleton.
No, teeth are not skeletons, obviously.
yeah.
I mean,
You
it's still
could what you
connected, no? Like to the.
no, but
Like that's
better
that's like
option.
the only bones you're touching.
Yeah. I mean,
A
it is
better
kind
option
of
is
a
to
bone.
a human being has like 208 bones. 32 teeth won't count on, obviously.
But then it's like it's like still made of calcium and
It's
all. Even your
fine, I
bones are
guess.
made out of calcium.
But it's
Stuff.
not the same thing. It doesn't have bone marrow. It doesn't have all of that. What you could do is remove your flesh and then start brushing your bone. That's also another option.
Huh. I don't have a knife at right now, but I will try
Yeah,
it
we
out
should
soon.
just remove it and then clean it with the Vim bar.
On Friday the
Okay, I guess
13th,
we
I will
have
do
time
it.
for.
I think we are we done? Are we out of time?
I don't know. We have time for one more, I guess. Yeah.
We
We'll,
have
Just
time
one.
for
We'll
another
do
one.
one.
Let's check.
yeah.
Anyone?
Most
don't
people know so
objectify.
little. We'll do that.
Which one?
Most people know so little that if they
Yes.
were transported 200 years into the past, they wouldn't be able to invent anything any quicker. Okay, so if I went 200 years back, will I know how to invent the steam engine?
No, but then you'll have an idea.
What about this? The
I-
smartphone.
No way. No way.
What's
like an
the
idea.
technology available 200 years ago? That's the question.
You will need copper. Then
You need
you
copper.
need
like
the
a computer.
battery.
You'll need
You need the battery.
Wait,
No, but you can
No,
at least
the-
use like
before
a
this,
laptop.
wait, I have another thing. Before this, what if like you was the guy in your past life invented that?
I
What does
think
that
this
mean?
raises a paradox.
Or,
like suppose you
paradox,
like I think
yeah.
it's called Shakespeare
In your
paradox.
previous life, you were the one who invented something. What do you want to invent
Hey,
now?
don't
Yeah,
bring
Falcon is
previous life
talking
in
about-
all.
Okay, wait. So all of you guys, tell one thing you think you can invent, like 200 years in the
200
past.
years.
Not
What
200,
do you guys think you can
probably
invent?
probably
sport.
2000 years I'd invent the wheel.
I can invent
the instant
I can
Wheel was
noodles.
invent
invented much
weapons. I
before.
can invent the wheel.
I can
Wheel was
invent the
invented much
spork.
before.
But then
sport-
200
the
years ago,
sport.
wheel was already there. So
Yeah, that's what. That's what I was saying.
Oh, this I can invent this 30 years back. If I go 30 years in the past, I can invent suitcases with wheels.
makes sense.
Only
then
until
it's 200
1990
years ago.
suitcases came without wheels. Like you see your old suitcases, no wheels.
I would
Suitcases
invent
with wheels.
instant
Nice.
noodles. I mean,
Instant noodles.
yeah,
Top ramen.
definitely.
call it
How will
Top
you
John.
invent? Yeah.
I mean, making the tastemaker is definitely easier. Noodles, you just have to work on a bit, but one point you will get there. It won't be as good as Maggie or
I'll invent
any other
Pythagoras
one
theorem.
right now, but it'll still be there.
I think I can invent a dynamo or a DC motor. I think it's pretty
I bet I can
simple
just
only.
write whatever I've learned in biology and just write 2-3 books and here
I'll
you
just
go,
go
read the
back in the
textbook.
past. I'll just go back in the past and be like a plus b whole square, a square plus b square. Just 2ab,
Like,
obviously.
whoa, we can build buildings now.
We'll write, yeah, we
Greatest
can write all the
mathematicians
formulas
to
we
ever
remember.
live. It'll be us.
Yeah,
No
so about
Einstein.
that thing, the last thing is like imagine not imagine
Wait, I have a
actually,
really interesting thought.
yeah.
Do you think the world would have been better without Einstein? Because like he
No.
indirectly
Someone
helped
would have just
building the nuclear
discovered
bomb.
relativity without
Not
Einstein.
Einstein, anyone else would have done it, surely.
Anyone else would have done it, yeah.
Yeah.
It's like Newton and Leibniz.
No, but if
Right?
Newton was
Still,
there, we would be
he's one of the
floating.
greatest minds. No.
Yeah.
If Newton weren't there, we would be floating in the air because no gravity. That's
No
obvious.
gravity. Too
Yeah.
No
bad.
gravity.
Apple would have just floated.
Yeah.
With that thought of no gravity,
Okay.
I think we
We
have to
have
end.
10 seconds.
Okay,
Yeah.
so ciao, boys. I'm not going to play the
Guys.
music this time. I promise not to
GG.
irritate our viewers with
Please
Yiddish
like,
music.
subscribe, share, all
Okay.
that stuff.
Please
Bye bye.
like, subscribe.
Inner Circle Podcast.